welcome to the updated studio tour. I've had this studio for about a year now, and I wanted to share just the small little changes I've made here and there to make my life so much easier. So let's get started. Everything is linked below in case you are wondering. So we still have these shelves that are originally from Amazon that I spray painted with pastel colors. That thing with drawers, that's another thing with drawers, I spray painted with pastel colors as well. I did not buy that one. That's the only thing that I can tell you. I have no idea where that's from. We have some IKEA shelves with my lovely library. I know. I read audiobooks more than anything. Don't judge me, please. And some art just against the wall. You can ignore that. You can also ignore all the wiring back here. It's difficult to organize wires. What can I say? I did recently remove the rug that was here on the floor that would help dampen the sound. Sorry. But I have found that all of my other sound dampening technologies have helped me out so far, and I got rid of it because it was just getting dirty and it was difficult to clean, etc. So new gadgets, we have a new printer, we have a laser cutter, some new lights. The lovely cloud up here is my favorite part of the whole room, I gotta say. And obviously Appa has more hats. That's what I can tell. Oh, and a new fan. That's it. Everything else, just rearranging. More wigs. Sorry, that's another thing that's new. More wigs than before. A lot of them are from Amazon, but mainly from Arda Wigs. I really love Arda Wigs. Wigs. They're really good quality. And my hairstyling tools is up there too, because I don't know where else to put that stuff. We also have some decorations, a mushroom hat, some shoes for cosplay. I also keep them with the wigs because that's how my brain works. So these cabinets, same things as last time. I have all of my charms that are characters, more over here on the left. This last little column also has some character charms, and then on the next one over is where I keep all of my molds to make resin charms when I want to. Down here I have phone cases. They are organized by type of phone case. We have some iPhone 11s in here. Look at that. She's so organized sometimes. Took me a while to organize this, guys. And it's there. You know. And then this little doodad has so many large drawers. I think it's originally a cabinet for tools, and I spray painted pastel colors because that is aesthetic, of course. Over here under the window I have a cart with cases that I did on today's live stream. By the way, come hang out with me every Tuesday and Thursday, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And over here you saw nothing. That's nothing. I'm putting that on the floor for now, and you are still seeing nothing. And oh, look at that. That's the laser cutter. It is still with pieces of wood in there. I need to clean that. But that you can ignore. You didn't see anything. That is my fire extinguisher against the window over there. We have some organza bags to send packages, some Amazon packages that I reuse, and oh, that doesn't belong there. That's definitely a face paint kit. So I'm gonna put it back where it goes. Okay, these are mirrors to decorate, and then over here I have some sewing supplies, and yeah, no, we already looked in there. Yep. Don't worry about that. Up here I have my sewing machine, some sunglasses, some decorations, and over here we have my button pin, supplies, and some jewelry supplies. Don't look in that drawer. I know it was messy. Don't look in there. My collection of books. I only buy books when I really enjoyed the audiobook so much that I needed to purchase it. That's my rule. Some random technology down there. I don't even know what's in there. I don't even know what's in those drawers. I think I just have like letters. I don't know. Anywho, this is behind my desk. This is my keyboard and stuff. And there's Robin. Lovely Robin. Nico Robin. Love her so much. So this is the desk that I work at while I live stream. We're just gonna move that over there. Yes, we have some makeup to do the makeups for the live stream. We have a lovely Uwuzilla here ready to be decorated, my swamp mic, and my cup of water, and the aforementioned new printer. Yay, new printer! We have some ears on the wall, we have some neon lights, and my comfy chair over here with Laboon, ready to party. And obviously Appa over here, more hats the merrier, and some more decorations for the back of my stream. And this is the cloud! I love this cloud, it changes color. It was super affordable, get one for yourself. And look, that's me. That mirror, I didn't open it today, but I think I've shown it before. It has some of my jewelry. I have this backdrop from Kawaii Universe that is on my door. And this is what it looks like with the lights off and all the rainbow lights on. What's cool about this blue light is that I can actually change the color of it to any color, like pink. Oh my goodness, yes. It looks very pretty, different colors, different moods, different outfits. And that is it for the updated studio tour. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, everything is linked below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!